don't want to camp, so I'm trying to like.
Perfect execution.
Oh yeah. It's over.
Right now.
We won. They got smoked right in the head, nigga. That was a nice headshot, boy. Nigga, what's up? Nigga, hold on. Hit her with the what's up, nigga. I call this the what's up, nigga. What's up, nigga? Just checking your temperature, nigga. What's up? Fuck. They got hit up. You gotta watch him. He level 30. I don't trust him. But a name like that gives me off try hard vibes. We're gonna watch him. But as long as we move together, we shouldn't lose. Cause that's the majority of what niggas is doing. Oh, my favorite gun. Yeah, mine too, nigga. They done no, come on, we about to these niggas up.
MTC's in the red. It's now or never.
Shit, I'm checking the left.
One off the left.
All right, I got one.
Down.
I'm not sure where the other one at, but they might be close together. I don't even want to reload yet. I hear a bomb.
Squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all on you now.
Let's go.
It's a start, but we ain't done yet. Lock it down.
Let's get it. Let go. I wish they did fucking kill cams.
Gunfight.
All right, let's go. Flashbang. CB9. All right, come on, let me get it. You know that might be around that corner. Be careful.
Gearing up for a final
I'm going through this tunnel.
You left some in the tank.
All right, and in here. They gotta be on the other side.
Hostile shooter.
Watch out.
Standard. Find him. End him.
Oh, watch out. I got shot in the back. He in the house. He on that side. Yeah, watch out. He on the other, like he shot me from behind, so. Yeah, he gonna be over there.
Move her here.
What? That's crazy because you ain't kill him in time. That's some bullshit, though. That's some bullshit. Come on, we about to lock in, bro. Hey, put down the trap. Put down the trap by the door. Put down the trap by the door. That shit kill him every time. That little weapon, the bomb. The bomb. Put it down.
Finish him.
Oh, shit. Almost ran out of ammo. Oh shit, I had to switch to the pistol. Nigga. Oh my god.
Gunfight.
He said he what? Nah, put down that trap bomb though, nigga. I'm telling you, that shit work every time. Oh shit, he coming through this tunnel. Nigga flashbang me. Good shit. The other one might be coming around. I put down a trap in there, so if he go in there, it's over. Okay, cool. All we gotta do is wait, cause that trap right there. Let's go. Nigga, he got shot from different angles, cause I was shooting for the bathroom. You shoot right there. He was not making that out alive. Three more rounds. All right, shotgun. All right. I might use the pistol on this. Oh no, I'm gonna use the shotty. Come around.
They're gearing up for a final push. Hope you left some in the tank.
Watch our backs. He said we moving like the Navy SEALs. Where is this nigga? He outside.
You're our last chance. Don't fuck this up.
No!
Feeling so
Nigga, that goddamn shotgun. I knew I should have used the pistol, bro. I fucking hate the shotgun, bro. Alright. I'm using the pistol, bro. I knew I should have did it the first fucking time.
squad couldn't handle the heat. It's all
Where's he
on
at?
you now. MTC's in the red. It's now or never. One enemy standing.
Yeah.
Find them. End them.
I know.
It's a start, but we ain't done yet. Lock it down.
Alright, why don't go to that window. Don't go to that window, cause they will. I'm watching this bathroom right here, this door, cause they gonna come through this bitch. Alright, you go through that side. Oh, watch out, they on the other side. Let's go, nigga, we fucked them niggas up. I shot through the door. That nigga was by the door, nigga. I shot through that motherfucker while you shot that nigga. We fucked them niggas up. Oh shit! Watch out! He on the balcony. By the balcony, he moving.
MTC's in the red.
I would just stay there. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. God,
Let yourself down.
nigga, cause everybody goes to that window. Don't go to the window ever, nigga. Unless you gonna run across, do not sit in that window. They will get you every time. I'm telling you, do not go. Nah, it end tomorrow in the morning. Well, I guess technically it's the last day because tomorrow morning at 10 a.m.
Squad couldn't handle the heat. Time
Both
to
of them?
inside. Finish him.
I know. That was horrible. I know.
Take that asshole down.
I thought that nigga.
That's right, you shit.
Let's go. We're 10 and 3. Let's get it. This going on YouTube. Let's get it. Hell yeah, nigga. I have not lost the game yet. This is my 6th game. I ain't trying to lose. And this our 2nd game. What's poppin'?
Give a fuck how long we been friends. I can't put